Welcome to another episode of Autism Takes On. Hello, welcome to Autism Takes On, and today we are going to make some nutrition bars. Put a piece of parchment paper over an 8 or 9 inch square bigger. Next we're going to mix the dry ingredients, which include Quaker oats. We're going to put 1 3/4 of a cup of quick cooking oats in the bowl. Now we're going to put 1 1/3 cup of sliced almonds in. Now we're going to put 2/3 of a cup of mini chocolate chips in. Now 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. That has to be ground up or you're grounded. Now for 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to mix my dry ingredients with my baking spatula. Now onto the wet ingredients. Now for 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, which holds the bars together. Yeah, it's coming out, it's coming out. Now for 1/2 cup of maple syrup or honey. Now for 1 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour that stuff in there. Now we're going to mix up the wet ingredients. Now to pour the wet ingredients over the dry ingredients. But your wet ingredients aren't so wet because the peanut butter, this is what I call a sticky situation. Now go ahead and start mixing it up. Now that the ingredients are all mixed, now it's time to put them in the baker. Now you press it down flat with another sheet of parchment paper so it can be turned into bars. And this is what it should look like. Now put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour before you cut it into bars. Now we're going to transfer the bars to be cut. Now we cut the bars into 16 servings. First cut in the middle. Now to cut the halves in half. Now to cut the quarters in half. Now we turn it the other way to turn the eighths in half. What we like to do is wrap them in single servings. Here's the finished product. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a nice day.